What happens when a 40-year-old man gets a superpower? With this concept, action, comedy and drama movie with 5.9 IMDb rating is Psychokinesis. This movie shows us what really happens if a normal people get superpower. Graphics, action and fight scenes are way better than what we expected from this movie. Ever imagine what happens if you and your two best friends get superpower? What will you do? Using this concept, Action Chronicles. It's available on YouTube. Graphics and visual effects are so realistic that you're gonna love it. This movie is different from other superhero movies. Full movie runs on FPP mode. It provides such an interactive surrounding that you feel as a part of this movie. Imagine whole world is divided into two parts, one with normal people and second with superpower peoples. 6.1 IMDb rating filled with action. Push. It is available on Netflix. The storyline and fight scenes of this movie are awesome, but due to its weak screenplay and plot development, this movie is not impressive as it could be. Movie gonna amaze you. It's actually a combination of two superhero movies, Unbreakable and Split. In Unbreakable, the superpower was super strength, whereas in Split, the superpower is 24 different personalities. Glass, which is available on YouTube and Disney Plus Hotstar. This is one of those remarkable movies which is available for days. What happens if Superman uses his power against humanity and for his own goods? Horror and thriller with 6.1 IMDb rating available on YouTube. Brightburn. The movie was released in 2019. Cinematography and sound effects of this movie are impressive. The story is basically of Superman but using a dark and horror theme. And trust between a man and a machine with 4.6 IMDb rating. Max Steel. It is available on Netflix. The storyline is normal where a machine and a man combine to create a superpower. The movie is based on the American action figure Max Steel, but due to its weak screenplay and storyline, the movie failed to create that energy that we need from DC fan and have 3.5 hours to waste. Then you can see our next movie with 7.6 IMDb rating, action and adventure, Watchmen. The movie is available on Netflix. Movie's visual effects and audio are outstanding. The movie has awesome plot development due to which it runs slow. The movie shows us the dark or the hidden side of superheroes. If you too love space movies, then our next movie is for you. With 5.5 IMDb rating, action, science fiction, Green Lantern. The movie is available on YouTube and Netflix.